Hi, it's Pia's Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placements. Yeah, this is your love reading. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano bang current situation ninyo? And next action. Okay, next action ni person mo ngayong February. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yeah, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Kung gusto nyo na mag-try, na magpa-reading sa kanya, yes, open siya palagi. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayong magma-message, okay? And again, if you're interested rin sa ating mga items, meron tayong mga evil eye protection. Ito yung ring. This is adjustable. Okay, yung ring natin. So, ganyan siya. Yung atin namang bracelet. Okay, anyway. Bracelet, necklace, meron tayo nun. Okay, protection from evil eye. Meron din tayong love bracelet. So, ito naman is para sa love. Okay? Sa kung anumang meron, anong kailangan mo pagdating sa love. So, ito yung magpo-provide. Okay? And yung isa natin is yung, the grantor necklace. Yung sabihin, AKA, diba? AKA, mahilig magbigay ng surprises. Oo. No, so, yan. Si grantor, so taga-grant ng minamanifest mo. Plus na lang yung mga surprises niya, ha? So, plus na lang yun. And yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, so si cord cutting, kung wala kayong idea about cord cutting, message na lang po, no? Para doon na lang i-explain. So si admin po, ha? Ang inyong makakausap doon. Okay, so Aqua. Okay, let's start your reading. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Who is the person on Aquarius mind? The person, anong meron sa kanya? Kuha tayong description dito sa taong ito. Aqua. Okay, wala pa akong makuha. Isip. Okay, isipin nyo si person, anong meron sa kanya. Aquarius. Aqua. Okay. The Page of Cups in reversed. Some of you, this person may be younger. What's with this Page of Cups in reversed? The Ace of Pentacles in reversed. I think this is a new person. Are you interested sa new person? Yeah, I think this is new. The Fool. Iba sa inyo kakaalis lang sa isang connection. Recently. Yeah, Days of Wands in reversed. Itong taong to, sabihin nating may crush sa'yo. Oo. Pwedeng crush mo. So, siya to. Ace of Pentacles in reversed. May nangyari. Sabihin natin in general, there's this energy of money issue. Money issue. Iba sa kanila, hindi pa sila ganun ka-stable, ha? Mga specific yun. Younger, hindi pa sila ganun ka-ready pagdating sa pakikipag-connect or commitments, maybe. So, gusto ko pa kumuha ng isa pa. So, we have here Cancer. There's this energy of younger person, younger energy, na pwedeng may nangyaring miss opportunity sa inyong dalawa. If this is a new person, miss opportunity yung hindi sila kumo-connect sa'yo. Agad. Okay? The Eight of Swords. There's no talking here. Itong taong to may pagka-shy type. Kung bago. Shy type. Diba? If this is a past person, they're feeling the missed opportunity. There's no contact here. Napaka-immature. some of them. So, what is the situation right now? Anong situation ninyo, mga Aquarius? Seven of Cups. There's options. Maraming option. Maraming pagpipilian. The Page of Pentacles. Yeah. I think somebody is, sabihin nating, looking talaga, no? Sa new opportunities. Yeah, the Three of Swords in the reverse. May chance na somebody is etong taong to maybe. Okay? Ang parang nag-heal pero bypass healing ang ginagawa. Not the right healing na tinatawag. Yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong nagugustuhan. And itong taong to, kung bago siya, ang iniisip nito, hindi kayo interested sa kanya. That is why. They're held back. Holding back, kung ano man. Same lang sa past, kung past to. Feeling nila, interested ka na sa mga bago, hindi sa kanya. You're in their head. Yes. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on sa'yo kung ito is a past person. So, let's see. Ano ang emotion niya for you, Aqua? Emotion. Deep, deep down for you. The Moon. Longing, craving, sad, missing you. Yeah. Minsan napapanaginipan ka na nito, kakaisip sa'yo. Yes. They're looking for you. That's with the Moon. Strength in reversed. Parang wala siyang magawa sa ngayon. Kundi maglong, kundi maging sad. Parang ganyan. Wala silang magawa. Okay? They're confused, some of them. The Page of Wands universe, yung iba naman sa kanila, they're trying to look for you on your SOCMED, mga ganyan, social media, yeah, andyan yung energy ng stalking. Feeling nila wala nang paraan para magkaroon kayo ulit ng reconnection kung ito ay past person, okay? Pero kung ito yung bago, feeling nila wala silang magawa rin. Shy type, para silang loner. Or yeah, hindi sila marunong mag-express maybe. Or siguro talagang nahihiya lang tong taong to. And yes, tingin nila sa'yo, marami kang option. Hindi sila ganoon like sabihin natin kakapal yung muka. Okay. Yeah. So, anong next action niya, Aqua? Next action ng taong to sa'yo. Ngayong Feb. Next action. So, dalawa na naman. Yung nakita kong energy dito. Isang past, isang new. So, tingnan natin. Si past. I don't know. Si new muna, ha? Oo, yung new muna. New person. Ano ang next action mo towards Aqua? New person. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Why the Nine of Pentacles? Gusto ka talaga nito. The Four of Cups. Oh my God. Okay. So, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, gusto nito ng commitments. Gusto niya, no? Ng, sabihin nating magkaroon kayo ng connection. Like romantic. Okay? Romantic. Pero, ang nakikita ko dito, the Four of Cups in reversed. Sabihin natin, hindi agad-agad. Gagawa ng way, paunti-unti, itong taong to. Kasi ayaw niya na parang masasayang lang to. Ayaw niya na, excuse me, ayaw niya na parang mawawala lang. Parang ganyan. Ayaw niya parang mapupunta lang sa wala. Parang ganun. So, I think, gagawa ng way itong taong to, kahit papano, para magkaroon kayo ng connection. Okay? As simple as friendship muna. So, yun ang nakukuha ko from that new person you're interested in, no? So, let's see. Maybe, interested ka nga dito sa taong ito, sa bago. Pero, yeah. So, anong meron naman pagdating dito sa past person? What is their next action towards you, Aqua? Ace of Cups, Three of Cups. This is reconciliation. Pero, let's see. They want to reconcile. Yes! Kung ganito man yung kanilang energy or emotion nila for you, feeling broken. Still holding on to you, itong taong to sa past. Yeah, konti na lang mabibreak na, parang ganon, pero there's still something na pwedeng nagbibigay pa rin. Okay? Nang dahilan nitong taong to na para mag-hold on sa'yo. Napansin ko lang tong sa picture. Okay, kung makikita nyo ha, kung malinaw. Kita nyo yung chain, kita nyo, parang may masisira na dun. Okay, parang lalaglag na siya. Pero, ikaw to, okay, ito yung space mo, dun sila nakakapit. Parang ganon. Excuse my nails, oh. Anyway, yeah. Let's see. Anong next action ni past person? Gagawa ba sila ng paraan? Gagawa ba sila ng action? Let's see. Ten of Swords Universo. Okay, and the Two of Pentacles. They're juggling. They're juggling. The Five of Swords. They will throw you mixed signals. Okay? Mixed emotions Pwede kasi yun nga, sabi ko, nakikita ng taong to na pwede na meron ka ng mga kakonek or abala ka na sa mga bago ngayon. Okay? So, may tendency, yes, hindi pa ito nakaka-recover, hindi pa siya nakaka-move on. The Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords Universe, gusto niya na bumalik. Pero hindi pa siya ganun kasigurado. Okay? Five of Swords, pwedeng gagawa ito ng something na parang ingay, no? Ingay, para mapansin mo. Doon siya parang didepende sa magiging reaction mo sa kanya. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles. Andito yung energy na parang andun yung mga paawa effect. Mga ganong bagay. Kapag nag-reach out yan. Okay? Kung hindi man totally reaching out, mayroon ka mga makikita sa kanyang post na they're sad, they need you, mga ganun bagay, kahit hindi direct, okay, na sinasabi niya sa'yo yun. Okay, may mga messages na makikita ka, or hints, signs, na gusto pa rin ng taong to na makita ka, makasama ka, magkaroon ulit ng isa pang pagkakataon maybe. So there, so let's see. Anong outcome nyo? Anong outcome? Outcome nyo nung bago. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, napaka-special nyo Sa'yo ko lang to ginawa, Aqua. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's see. New person, ano ang outcome nyo? The Fool. Uy! May mangyayaring something. May mag-start. Kung makikita nyo, may nag-approach. Diba? So, yeah. Hindi ka aware na pwedeng, huy, may ganong mga bagay-bagay na mangyayari. The Four of Swords, yeah. May chance ng connection. May chance ng communication. I think, simple na, kumusta? Hi! Mga ganong bagay. May magsisimula. Okay? There's this, sabihin nating, yung word na start. Yung word na start para sa inyo. Okay? So, let's see. Ano naman ang outcome ninyo nung past? Diba? Syempre. Okay. Ano ang outcome nyo nung past? Person mo. Oh, the Eight of Cups universe. Yeah, this is going back together. Returning. See? Why the Eight of Cups universe? That's returning. Seven of Pentacles and investing. Again, dito sa connection. The Five of Cups. Pakikipag-ayos. So, may pagbabalikan ako nakikita rito. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Hi. Parang ganyan. Hi, dito ako ulit. With the love offer coming from them. Yeah. So, diba? Maganda. Para sa'yo, Aqua. Okay. Yeah. Past or new man, they like you. They have interest. So, let's see. Let's go na sa ating all signs. Oo. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ha? Okay. So, Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're thinking of you. Iba sa kanila talagang nagkakasakit na kakaisip. Hindi na sila makatulog. Parang ganyan. They're concerned. Like, yan, ano na kayong meron kay Aqua. Parang ganon. Taurus. Gusto kanya makasama. Some of them, they want reconciliation with you. Iba dito may chance na pwedeng no label or may mapa-friend zone. Parang ganyan. Yes, gusto ka lang niya kasama. Gusto ka lang niya nasa environment niya. Okay. Gemini. I think pwedeng merong gagawa ng isang decision. Okay? Pwedeng gagawa ng decision si Gemini. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay. So, Cancer. Some of you ito, may pahabol si Gemini. Mami-misjudge ka niya. Cancer. No. Separating ways. Separate ways. Okay. Breakup, separation. Leo. They want to build something with you. They want to talk something. Virgo. Oh, they're manifesting you. They're manifesting a connection with you, some of them. Libra. They have a crush on you. Yeah, some of them pinapanood ka lang niya from afar. Scorpio. May tendency yung iba sa kanila nandun yung cloudy judgment na may misjudge ka. So, or maybe pwedeng ginagawa lang nila yon dahil ayaw ka na nilang parang maging attracted. Ayaw nilang maging attracted sa'yo. Parang sinisira nila yung looks mo. Parang ganun eh. Okay? I don't know. Parang sinisira nila yung image mo. Pero sila lang yung gumagawa nun sa utak nila. Para hindi ka nila magustuhan. Mga ganun bagay. They're the BITCH. Okay? Yeah. Sagittarius. Unstable. Some of you kasi pwedeng may third party involved with the Sag. Capricorn. They want to be with you. They want to grow old with you. They want to have children with you. Okay, they want forever with you. Ay, happy ever after. Okay. So, Aqua. There's this blockages. Somebody, pwedeng meron, etong si Aqua, may chance na meron siyang gustong sabihin pero hindi nila masabi. I don't know why. Okay? Maybe they're hiding their true feelings. Maybe yung feelings nila or emotion nila yung parang binablock nila. So, Pisces, they can't move on. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you. Yeah. Some of them, they're looking for for new people, new energy, new person, para makalimutan ka, pero they can't. Okay? They can't. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Parang ikaw yung pinaka. Yung parang hindi ka mapaltan. So, every time na meron silang iba, ikaw yung nasa isip. Parang walang makatalo sa'yo. Parang ganun. Okay? So, hindi sila nagiging kontento sa kung sino man yung mga kasama nila ngayon. Like that. Okay? So, there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placement. So, yes. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.